she's lower, right? Closer. Yeah, like that. Gobble to that. He ain't that far up.
Out in the middle of those woods. Yeah. Huh? He's hot. I'm trying to start working him in the morning. Just tonight came in. There's only one further tonight. Gate 3 like we used to be.
Right. Good morning, y'all. It's about 4:22 in the morning. Saturday, May 8th. Got that one gobbler roosted last night. There used to be 3 in the group, and this time we roosted him in the same spot as last weekend. But this time he sounds like he's lower and closer to the property line. So we're going to try to go up there, set up in a field or just inside the woods there, and try to call him in. But we got to see what happens. Got a lot of overcast this morning and some rain in the air. So if it gets raining too hard, we're not going to set it out there because it's going to be a pain. But if it's a little sprinkle, we're going to keep going after him and see what happens. But pretty excited about this morning. Me and Jody have 1 tag left each, and Dustin might join us just to help us call. So you guys stay tuned, see what we can make happen. One deer. We got over there where we roosted those birds this morning, and that guy was in there hunting again on the neighbor's property, and he's a pain right in the butt to deal with. So instead of trying to call the bird away from him, we went up and tried some state land. Tried another piece of property where we killed the birds, and it's just been raining all morning, so we haven't had much luck. But the rain's supposed to stop here in a little bit. Hopefully we can get on some birds here shortly for you guys, but they ain't gobbling. We've only seen hens in the fields, no toms, so we'll see what happens. Alright, y'all, we just made it back down off the hill. We went way up there on that ridge. Had one gobbling, and he ended up shutting up. So we were down below the ridge when he shut up on us. We ended up making it up on the ridge he was on, or just the ridge just below where he was on. He ended up shutting up. I don't know what that was about. Sounded like there was a Tom and a Jake in the group. And when we did make it all the way up to the top, we did spook a hen, but I mean, by that time he was already stopped gobbling, so I don't know what the deal was. Like I said, we set up, he was gobbling. He just didn't want to come down off the ridge. He just wanted to keep working it back and forth. He basically wanted the hen to come to him, but you know, we didn't until he kind of worked this way, shut up on us, and we worked out to see if we get on the same level with him and get him gobbling again. But happens, such is life. But here we go. We're gonna go try another spot where we killed our birds last year. We tried it this morning, and they weren't gobbling, but doesn't mean they're not gonna be gobbling now. We already got that one to gobble, so that means the birds could be getting hot again. Still raining, sucks, but it'll pay off if we get soaking wet and we get a bird. So you guys stay tuned.
He turned around, gobbled this way. The other, he sounds like he was gobbling up the hill too. That's a good gobble.
He's gotta have a head with him. He's hot. Really hot. Just turn around.
He's gobbling up the hill. He turned around in a tree.
He's hot. He gobbled mid owl hoop.
There he's facing us. That he sounds. He ain't a Jake.
No.
Let's see.
Alright, y'all, we just got back to the truck. It's about 6:25 right now. We didn't get anything gobbling over here, so I want to go back and give you guys a little concept of what happened last night. You guys saw it, of course, but we had a bird gobbling across the road from where Jody lives, and I think it's the same bird we went in there after yesterday afternoon after it stopped raining there for a little bit. But his nephew, him and his girlfriend just had a baby, open weekend of turkey season, and he hasn't went out yet, and they both hunt that property. So we reached out to him, see if he was going to be hunting that in the morning, and he said yes. So, you know, if he hasn't got one already, we've each got one, and, you know, he might not have a lot of time to hunt this year because of the baby. So he's in after that one, hopefully killed it, and then we got over here, walked up like we usually do, and we couldn't get a gobble at all. So walked the ridge all the way back, called, walked it all the way back this way, called, and right now we're going to head up to the property where we shot our two birds and see if we got any turkeys up there gobbling. But as we were walking out, it was 6:19, 6:18, 6:19. I looked at my phone, and we kicked the hen out of a tree. So it's really, really foggy, as you guys can see. I mean, just foggy, really foggy. So we gotta just either figure out what's going on with if they're not gonna gobble at all today, but I'm sure hoping they will because it was a crappy day yesterday with the rain, and hopefully we can get up here and kill another bird. So. Are they coming? That one sounds like a Jake. That one. Alright, y'all, we just made it back to the house. I want to end this video off by saying a very happy Mother's Day to the amazing mothers that put up with our crap every single day, day in and day out. I know this video is going to be out after Mother's Day, but I hope you guys had an amazing Mother's Day, and thank you again for putting up with our crap day in and day out. As far as the turkey hunting, it was not the best weekend, as you guys just see. It was just terrible. With the weather on Saturday coming in, rain. We still got a gobbler struck up there towards around 9 o'clock, and then he just ended up shutting up on us. I think to kill that bird, we're just going to have to get up on that ridge with him, because that's the only way we can access him. He's not going to come down off that ridge. We have to get up there with him early in the morning and try to kill him. But other than that, Sunday came. It was very, very, very foggy that morning, and I guess I feel safe in the tree, I guess. We kicked out a hen. It was way past light. It was about 6:19, 6:20 in the morning. Hen was still in the tree when she should have been down on the fields getting the rain from the day before. So I think they just felt safer in the tree coming Sunday morning. But it is what it is. It's hunting. We learned a lot. And the only thing that really stopped us was the rain and property lines not allowing us to keep chasing the gobblers. But we did strike a gobble both days. Multiple gobbles, I should say. It's tough. It's very tough. Like I said, we learned a lot. Put it in the memory bank for next weekend and for seasons to come. But we have 2 more weekends of the turkey season here in upstate New York. Unfortunately, I can only hunt the weekends. So there'll be only 2 more videos coming for you guys. I can only hunt the weekends because of my job. But what I want you guys to do is hop in the comment section down below. Let us know what you guys have been killing out there, what state you guys are from. We love to hear that. God bless you. Good luck out there, y'all. See you on the next one.